what I do, what I do, what I do, da da do, da.
Every time I come home from work, there's a new stray in this house.
Well, we used to have a pool service, but since my husband is retired, he's been taking care of the pool and all the other little honeydews around the house. I'd like to go to Charlotte, North Carolina. So it took me forever to look on the internet and find a cake recipe that had real lemon rind in it because it's her all-time favorite. Most of them have Jell-O, but this one was perfect. It took about 2 hours to bake it, and I can't wait to go give it to her. I'm so excited.
It makes no difference if it's sweet or hot. Just keep that rhythm, give it everything you got.